Good morning. In this class, we used to discuss the cloud classifications. Generally, cloud is classified into two based on how it is deployed. Based on that is classified. Then how it is served. Based on that is classified. So, based on serving models, that's one classification will be there. Then how it is deployed. Based on that is also classified. First, we used to discuss how it is deployed. In the deployed public cloud, then private cloud, then hybrid cloud, then community clouds. Then in the how it is served, based on that is classified as infrastructure as a cloud, then platform as a cloud, then software as a cloud. Therefore, first we concentrate that how it is deployed. Based on that, how it is classified. Therefore, as I told, public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. One by one, we will discuss. What is public cloud? Public cloud is from which the cloud infrastructure and computing resources are made available to the general public over the public. Public cloud means its name also implies that is for all. Therefore, available in public. Therefore, this is the diagrammatical representation for showing the public cloud. Then, next we used to go through that the characteristics of the public cloud. Then, what are the advantages of that? Then, disadvantages of that. We used to discuss. First, the public cloud means serving multitude of uses of single consumers. The fundamental characteristics of the cloud is multi-tenancy. It allows multiple users to work together. Then built over the internet. Without internet, the cloud service is not working. Therefore, the public cloud also built over the internet. Then next, owned by service providers. Most probably, the public cloud is social service providers are doing that. Then next, we used to go through that. The services offered by public cloud. All services offered by public cloud services, then services it offered on these price per use basis or pay per use method. Whatever we are using, based on that we are charged. Then in this, it will capital investment is capital investment. Then cloud infrastructure is controlled by that third parties. And some real examples of it. First, Amazon EC2 is the public cloud that provides infrastructure as a service. Then next one is Google App Engine is the public cloud provides platform as a service. Then Salesforce Cloud is a public cloud that provides software as a service. Therefore, I already told how it is served. Based on that also, that is classified. Therefore, in the public cloud, we have discussed three examples. The first example, infrastructure as a cloud. Then second example, that is the platform as a service. Third one is the software as a service. Therefore, after completion of this, how the deployment, how it is placed, after that we will go to that service models also. Then what are the advantages? First, we offers unlimited scalability because this is the service includes almost all resources are combined together. Then low cost because most probably cloud services, free service, then maintenance, then office reliability, then all services it will provide, sales space, interest, then location dependent. These are the advantages of it. Then next we will discuss the disadvantages of that. What are the disadvantages? No control over privacy because if it is the private one, definitely some rules and regulations is more, security is more. But this is the public cloud, that's why that security is almost less. Then cannot be used for sensitive applications because security is less, that's why unable. Then lacks of flexibility, lack of flexibility will be there, therefore because no one is take care of more in there, because this is the social service providers only take care of that they are not concentrating or not ready to provide more money for their purposes. Then this is not having strict protocols regarding the data management. Next is the second topic, private cloud. What is private cloud? I already told public cloud is for all users or for public persons. The private cloud is for particular organizations which cannot be exposed to the public. Then private cloud is most probably hardware and software, everything is controlled by the secure organization. Then how the cloud is physically located, based on that we are telling on-site private clouds, then outsourced private clouds. Outsourced private clouds means this is outside the premises, that is there. But premises itself, this is called on-site private clouds. Then cloud may be managed by either that particular organization or they are handling them to that. Private clouds are used by government agencies, financial institutions, then mid-size and large-size organizations. Then most probably all are small-scale industries are not approaching because they are not having such much of money. Therefore, mid-size and large-size organizations are utilizing the private cloud. Then this is the on-site private cloud diagram representation. How it is applied. Then next, this is the diagram representing outsourced private cloud. Outsourced means that this is outside the premises that is situated, therefore remote only we are assessing that. Then private cloud supports deliver more efficient and convenient cloud services. Then next, that provides consumer information protection, then follows to more standard messages and operations. This is because this is a private cloud, they are having their own rights to do advantages. First, we are talking greater security and privacy. That is the advantage of that. Then, next we are talking all resources are controlled, then highly reliable. Then it will saves money. How we suppose some house we are having that rental purposes we are providing. Therefore, this is plus point for who is availing that, because they are monthly they are providing less amount, they are utilizing the facility of that highly amount spent house. Therefore, that's why we are telling that is saves money. Then disadvantages, first we are telling compared to public cloud, this is expensive. Then it requires some experts to handle that. That's all the drawbacks. Then next we must go for that hybrid cloud. Before going to that hybrid cloud, we must summarize that. What's the advantage of that public cloud and what's the advantage of that private cloud? The advantage of public cloud is less cost, but drawback of that is that privacy is less. Then advantage of private cloud is security high, but advantage of that private cloud is cost and expensive. So therefore, these two disadvantages are managed by this hybrid cloud. Therefore, what is hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud is the combination of two or more clouds. Therefore, we are using private cloud as well as public cloud. Really, in this, what we are doing, suppose whenever the situation needed, that time we are using private cloud. Other situation we are using public cloud. If we are using like that, we are saving that. That's the main advantage of hybrid cloud. It is heterogeneous cloud resulting from the private and public clouds. Private clouds are used for sensitive application purposes. Then the business critical application purposes. And public clouds, other services kept outside the organization network, high volume of data, low sensitive need data. Then next we must go to that. This is the diagrammatic representation of the combination of private. Then advantage and disadvantage of hybrid cloud. Therefore, what are the advantages we are having in private and public cloud? That all advantages are taken in this place, and what are the disadvantages be there in the private and public cloud, that is overcome. First advantages, it is scalable because we are combined both. Then next we are telling it offers better security because we are using private security, that's why it is secure. Then flexible because we are combined two services, private and public cloud, definitely additional resources will be there. Then Next we are telling this is how cost effectiveness, because we are sensitive information purposes only we are using the private cloud. Other time we are using in the public cloud, therefore definitely storage cost is reduced. Then we are having the controlled organizations, because that private clouds are having such a softwares. And disadvantages, infrastructure dependency be there, because we used to prefer sometimes private and public. That's infrastructure dependency we are doing. That's a disadvantage of that. Then possibility of security breach is occurring. That's also violations are the next cloud is community cloud. Actually, community cloud is also private cloud. Community cloud is such a group of cloud consumers which have shared permissions such as the mission, objective, security, and privacy. The community cloud is the only one private cloud. Then this is maintained by some organization or third party. Then the cloud may be implemented on-site community cloud or off-premises or outside the campus. Just to support that. This is the on-site community cloud. Diagram representation of it. The next is the outsourced community cloud. How we are doing it. This is through other than our campus, outside be there through remote accessing. Community cloud is able to set for media industry and healthcare industry. The media industry means all media persons or media organizations are utilizing that. Therefore, film industry, or that some particular the IBM is having particular cloud for their employees. That's also one community cloud. Then healthcare industry purposes, we are having that. This is global platform for all health related things are shared by such industries. The next, energy and other core industries are also using that for industries involving different providers, vendors, organizations provides the right type of infrastructure to create open environment. And public sectors provide the distributed environment, create the communication platform for performing operation plan, business to administration, citizen to administration, and administration to business and purpose. Then what are the benefits of community cloud? First, we have openness. Openness is for particular community. This is open for all. It is acting similar to public cloud. That's why openness is there. That's advantage. And graceful failures, because this is similar to private cloud. Therefore, whatever the things needed, everything done by the providers. That's why the graceful failures there. Then convenience and control be there. Therefore, that is that shared by that all own community persons are doing that. That's why this is convenience as well as control for the security violations are not occurring because this is shared by same community or same employees of that. Then environment sustainability also. These are the elements of list. That in very beginning itself I told. First, how cloud is deployed based on that deployment model or deployment classification we have discussed. Then second one is how cloud is served, how it is serving. Based on that is class. Okay. Next our topic is cloud service models. First, the cloud service models are divided into three classes according to the abstraction level of capability provided by the developer, namely infrastructure as a service, then software as a service, platform as a service. Therefore, first infrastructure as a service we wish to discuss. What is infrastructure as a service? Actually, individual server or individual system all are controlled by that individual or that provider. But infrastructure as a service, the particular control is beyond our hand because that is only provided by that providers. Therefore, infrastructure as a service, user have the control of OS, data. Other than the services, everything under the control of that provider. Therefore, best example for that already I told. The real example for Amazon EC2 cloud. That is the infrastructure as a cloud. Then in this, another one example we are taking Windows Azure. That's also okay, infrastructure as a cloud. Then Google Compute Engine. That Google App Engine is different. Google Compute Engine. That's also infrastructure as a cloud service. Then next we will go through that platform as a service. In this platform as a service, the user controls application data. Therefore, one writes, we are lose the one writes. Therefore, infrastructure as a service, that three controls we are in our hand. But platform as a service, we are having the control of application as well as data. Therefore, OS control is not okay. Therefore, in this, some examples we are telling Windows Azure, then Chrome, Force.com, Google App Engine, Apache. These are the real clouds are example for platforms. The next one is software as a service. In this, nothing or user control, everything under the control of that provider. All software and hardware is transparent. User only knows their own access point. Therefore, some example we have like Google App, Microsoft Office 365. These are the cloud services provided by software as a service. Then nowadays we are using software as a service because the providers are not having any risk. Therefore, everything under their control only. Therefore, we are getting that login and we are discuss. Then Last one is software as a service. The example for that software as a service is the Google app and Salesforce. The Salesforce is the good example for that. Traditional desktop applications such as word processing and spreadsheet can now be accessed as a service. This modern delivery applications known as software systems. Or all services nowadays are provided in cloud, that is software systems. Because nothing or control provided only control. Then platform as a service. And this I already told. Therefore, the application and data only are controlled. Remaining everything is under the control of the domains. Example, the Windows Azure Roku or even best example of next infrastructure as a service in this. One more thing also our control, data OS. Most of the infrastructure as a service is researchers or some those who are interested to verify the cloud services they are getting this infrastructure. And next topic we wish to go through that architecture design challenges. Before that, we wish to conclude that cloud is classified into generally cloud models are classified into two. First, how it is deployed. Based on that, there is some classification there. Then next one, how it is working or how it is acting, or based on that how it will serve. Based on that, that is classified. That is service models. That we have discussed. First one is deployment models, private cloud, public cloud, then community cloud, and private cloud. Then in the service models are infrastructure as a service, software as a service, then platform as a service. Then next we wish to go to that new topic, that is architecture design challenges. In this, what are the challenges we are facing to finalize the architectural designs? First point we are telling the service availability and data login control. We are knowing that service availability means our aim is to make all services as available, but if you are doing like that, then some login problem also. Suppose we wish to do some modification in some data, we wish to do the login. Therefore, if you are doing that login, that time you are permitted to others to utilize the same data, but wrong informations are to prevent that. We wish to suppose we are making always services available, but some situation we are logging, then how we will prevent this. That is the best challenge. Then second is data privacy and security concerns are the another challenge for that. How we are securing the data to therefore from attack case we wish to prevent that. Cover your data. These are the things are challenge.